Hi guys, this is going to be a video tutorial on how to use Pickering Public Library's KitKeeper software in order to order books for your book club. So, some things that you will need before you get started is a valid library card, your PIN number, which should be the last 4 digits of your phone number, and a schedule of which books you would like and when you would like them for your meetings. So once you have those ready to go, we can get started on how to actually reserve books. Okay, so if you head to our library website, so picknet.org, and drop down to services, so your browser of choice, it doesn't really matter, just head to picknet.org, go to the menu that says services. It should be about the middle of the page, and then you'll actually drop down to where it says book clubs. So once you click on book clubs, you will be brought to a book club mini site where you can click on book club sets. So this will allow you to borrow book club sets for your group. Once you're on that page, you can scroll down. There are a few different spots that you can stop at to find the reservation page, but the easiest thing to do is just click on book club set reservation page, book club set reservation, or click here to get a list of the book club titles available. So once you click on book club set reservation, it will take you to our event keeper or KitKeeper website. You have a few options. You can click on the kits that we have available, so you can search through what kits we have and see each book, as well as the genre, age group, the contents, and a description. You can search further for different authors, genres, age groups. You can look at all info, sort by title. You can go through and kind of pull which ones you want. So we can select Margaret Atwood. We can look at all of the titles. We don't need a description. And we are going to see what comes up. So right now we have The Handmaid's Tale. If you are interested in reserving that kit, you just need to click reserve this kit, and we will walk you through that step in a second. If you're not sure, you can always search through a kit to reserve if you want a specific kit but don't have a specific date in mind, or you can actually see which kits are available for each month. So that will be the last choice. So we can see which kits are available in September for 2018. We can again look through all the authors, genres, age groups. We can search through individual titles as well as dates. So once we hover over any of the dates, we can see which kits are available. If you click on the date, you'll be able to search through and click on the title of the kit that you would like. So click on this specific date when you want to pick up the book club kits, and then you can look at the titles that are available. So we are going to pull up a specific kit, and we can see that it is available for all of September. All of the dates are in green. If the date was in red, it would not be available. So once we are ready to book, you will need your PIN code and your barcode number, and we are going to test that process out now. So we're going to select Longbourn. We are going to select the month of September for 2018, and we can see that in this calendar, all of the dates that are available say reserve under them. If the date was not available, it would not have that reserve option. So you can actually scroll through for the entire year and see which book club kits are available for which month. And let's say we want to pick this up on September 10th. We are going to enter our barcode as well as our PIN into the KitKeeper. The barcode is just your library barcode, and the PIN is going to be the last 4 digits of your phone number unless you have changed it. but that is what we default to at the library. And you can always come in and visit us if you do not remember your PIN. Okay, so our library card has been verified. We are going to continue, and you can put in any of the information that you need to enter. So your phone number, your email address, and the library where you would like to pick this up. So you can select our Claremont branch, our George Ash branch, or our Central branch. All you have to do is say accept, and it will say that you have successfully reserved the kit. It will give you confirmation number. It will send you a confirmation email as well to the address you provide, and you can always check on your kits and your reservations by going back to KitKeeper, clicking on My Kits at the bottom of the page, entering your barcode and PIN number, and it will show you which kits you have currently reserved. It will also show you which kits you have reserved in the past, and you can actually delete any of the reservations that you have. So let's say I do not want to have Longbourn for September 10th. I can make any changes to the reservation in here. So it will show me details when I can pick it up, and then I can delete the reservation if I decide that's not really what I want to do. You can also look at your previous reservations, so it will show you when they were picked up, the kit name, author, so you can keep track of which kits you have used, and that is basically all the information you need to know about KitKeeper in terms of checking your reservations, canceling your reservations, and making reservations. If you do have any questions about this process, feel free to come into the branch and let us know. We can always walk you through it. So please let us know if you do have any questions or concerns about using KitKeeper. You can stop by any branch and we can show you how to use this. It can be used by any library client. So if you have an independent book club and you would like to borrow book club kits for your book club, feel free to do so. It just needs to be signed out by one person's library card. As long as they have a valid library card for the Pickering Public Library, you can go online and access our KitKeeper program and book any kits that you would like for your independent book clubs. You will be notified when the book club kit is available to be picked up, so you can just drop in during our open hours, stop by the front desk, and you will be able to pick up your book club kit. All of our kits do come with multiple copies of the book. They do also come with a description of the book and questions to ask during your book club meeting. So there are awesome questions that are used to generate discussion and discourse about the book, which will kind of help you in the long run be able to bring that into your book club. We look forward to seeing you in the library, and good luck reserving any of our kits.